I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Welcome to a typical Sunday morning in my life. I actually woke up pretty late this morning, but I like to start my mornings by turning on my wax melter to get my room smelling like Christmas. I then, of course, get up and make up my bed. I also like to open the blinds to let some light in and wake myself up a little bit more. Then I just head to the restroom to get the typical morning things done, like washing my face, brushing my teeth, and things like that. I then change into some comfy clothes for the day. As you can see, I have on my biker shorts and a cozy sweatshirt. I then go ahead and do my hair so that I feel more complete, and then I just finish getting ready. And if you don't know, I have a small store on Instagram, AK Collection. And on Sundays, I drop new pieces. So right now, I'm just taking those photos before my drop and getting everything set for that. Then I head downstairs to get some breakfast. Today I just had some of my mom's yogurt and a banana, and even though I would like to say that's typically what I eat in the mornings, it's not. I also grabbed a donut, and yesterday morning I had Oreos. It literally just varies. But I also had some water, of course, as well. When I'm done with that, I just head back to my room. So that basically concludes my Sunday morning routine, but I recently got a new iPad and I wanted to unbox this with you all. I also got some things to go with my iPad, so I'm really dying to unbox this, so I'm gonna do that right now. You know what, I'm gonna sit on the bed for this new location, and I just turned on the lights to get the vibes right. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox this now. Yes. Yay. My iPad. Whatever this is. I don't know. Oh. I guess like instructions. Charger. And the charging cord. Alright, we're just gonna turn her on and see what happens. Yay, why am I so excited? Okay, while this turns on, we're going to unbox everything else that I got to go with it. So, because I am not careful at all, oh, she says hello. Because I am not careful at all, I got this case to go with it. not feel like taking this back. right. Okay. Pretty. And I got this case in this in this dark gray color because I just didn't want black. I wanted the dark gray. I thought it was prettier. I got this Bluetooth slim keyboard. We'll see if I can connect that. Yes, Mom. Mama, I'm filming. Here's the keyboard that goes with it. It's pretty thin, which I really wanted. I wanted something super thin. Okay, so obviously I'm going to have to set this up later. I'm probably going to ask my dad for help, but I just want to go ahead and get this in the case because I am not careful at all. The most satisfying part is taking that off, and we're gonna get her in this case. She fit perfectly! Yay! Let's fit. Okay, and so in addition to this case and the keyboard, I also got this stylus just because I didn't really see the point in getting the I think it's like $100 for the Apple. It says ultra fine power precision tip, which is really what I was looking for. Ideal for note taking and sketching apps. Requires less screen pressure and set up manually. And it works. I'm going to clean up this mess now. This video. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here